So a while back, I got this guy at a Salvation Army. I was contemplating whether or not to sell it or not. That's when we realized that he's much. I could tell he was, but I wasn't sure where it was. But he is battery powered, and
Chief Engineer Flik here.
yeah, this guy works. So that's when I decided that I was probably going to keep him because he's a unique thing, and he look really good in my Pixar collection. I have a Pixar collection. I have a lot of collections. I guess a little too much, but that's what happens when you're obsessive, like me. So yeah, this is the this guy has got stickers on his ass, his backpack. Yeah, this is where the battery compartment is. There's a little screw here, and I think it's double A's. But yeah, he has a multitude of sayings.
Don't worry, the colony is in good hands.
Head moves a little bit of animatronics. It's pretty cool, I like animatronics. So I thought this would be a good piece for it, because I especially love early Pixar. You know, Bug's Life, it's not the best movie. I like it though. I feel like it could have been better. In a weird way, I kind of like Ants better, which is sacrilegious to say, but I do. But this is a cool figure that would very nostalgic, very early Pixar feel. Love early Pixar stuff. So we're gonna clean this guy up. He's got a lot of smudges and stuff. I hope you can see it. Like I said, I don't have the best camera setup, but if I do get more people liking, subscribing, I'll guess I'll put more money out on this stuff. But right now, we're just gonna, as a store for myself, and I decide my store record so you guys can see. Yeah, like I said, mostly he works, so I don't have any problem with that. So what we're going to do is, I don't even feel like taking this off because it's not going to matter anyway. We're going to get rid of smudges, clean up the kind of dirty smudges, remove the stickers. These stickers are not going to be hard to remove. They're not GameStop stickers. Yeah, I might as well show you some tools, the trade I have here. I don't have all of them. One of them fell down. Here's my cleaning solution. Basic window cleaner. This stuff just an all-one cleaner. Works pretty much. It works well for pretty much anything. I use this interesting stuff. It's called the pink stuff, and it's kind of this weird, kind of a putty. It's like it's kind of like a sandpaper, and basically, what I do with that is I use a just one of the other tools. Q-tips. Got some Q-tips. Yeah, buy some more Q-tips actually, and you just put it on the area or the Q-tip. You kind of press it, rub it a little bit, and it gets rid of big hard stains and marker stuff, which is really great. It's heavy duty stuff, and it works well getting rid of smudges. I used to use alcohol, which I just don't have many right now. It is good for certain things like cleaning gaming cartridges, but and battery terminals, which he's fizzed is fine. But the big thing is that they are good at cleaning, and that's just the fact, Jack. One other thing, but I got, like I said, I don't really need it right now. Certain things I might, but the way the containers are not good. They spill. They're kind of hard to manage, so that's why I don't like using that much. I like the fact I can easily squirt this, not to pour it. Here's another one, magic eraser. He uses off and on again. This is another fine sandpaper, good for just getting in there. So I might use this in conjunction with that. The last one is a good old toothbrush stuff. And before I do the cleaning, I'm going to get this one other tool, which is a basic rag, just to wipe off access, because, you know, there's going to be a lot of access. So, yeah, let's get to cleaning this guy. Alright, this is Flik. He is cleaned as a button. Not really. Button, because our button's cleaned. You can see my game's back there. Don't know why I put them back there, but yeah, here it is. He's not 100% clean, but he's a lot cleaner than he was before. Let's turn him around. There might be little dots here and there, but he's pretty clean. He's got some wear and tear, stuff like that, you know, if I was a professional cleaner, which I'm not, I'm just a one who has to clean their toys for when I resell them, so they're nice. They'll have a lot of obvious dirt and damage. His arms were incredibly dirty, and that took a lot of scrubbing. Even off video, I decided to do even more detailing on him, but a lot of the stains came off for the most part. He was a little tricky because of the way he positioned. It's hard to get a good grip on certain areas, like the legs and the arms. But yeah, this thing was pretty cool. So just need a little cleaning, and you can see in the video, he looks pretty good. You see some little blemishes here and there, stuff that I don't really have the tools to really fix, or really the time. He's fine the way he is. Yeah.
Flik here.
Let's see if we get something more interesting to say.
Check out my new invention.
Thank you for watching.